work our team is doing is very important to our generation and future generations, just to set aside pieces of the ocean that can remain natural and as low impact as possible. We can't have an effective conservation area without monitoring its conservation priorities over time.
I work in conservation areas because these are typically areas that are hotspots of biodiversity. And I think that by focusing our work there, it helps the science advice that we generate to be immediately relevant.
One of the things that's been a challenge in marine science until really quite recently is understanding the landscape underwater. In this region of the Bay of Fundy, for example, that's several thousand species that live on the seabed, just the seabed alone.
A really cool project we worked on the last couple of years was comparing environmental DNA, or eDNA, which is basically collecting a water sample from the ocean and filtering out all the DNA from fish and other critters that's been left behind in the water, and using it to study the diversity of fish and other animals in the area.
Our current research is really exciting, and that's because we're listening to the fish and the whales and all of the other organisms that live in these conservation areas. In our first year of our research, we've got some really exciting results. We hear grunts, we hear knocks, and all kinds of weird sounds that we didn't expect, and now the challenge will be to relate those to activities. It seems like everything we do, we have 10 more questions generated from it. And it just is exciting to be able to do that, to work in a place like Bedford Institute where we've got amazing colleagues in so many different fields that we can network with.